In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Canva template sizes using the secret resize option in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your design dimensions but weren't sure how to do it, you're in the right place. First, let's make sure you're on Canva Pro. This little trick is exclusive to Canva Pro, so if you haven't upgraded yet, it might be a good time to consider it. Once you're set, go ahead and open your design in Canva. When your document is open, direct your eyes toward the top menu bar. Here, you'll find a button labeled Resize. Click on this and it will reveal a world of possibilities for you. Next, you have a choice. Canva is quite intuitive and often suggests sizes commonly used for various platforms. This can be particularly handy if your design is destined for social media or specific print sizes. You can easily select one of these suggested sizes if it fits your needs. If these suggestions cover the dimensions you're aiming for, just click on the suggested size that suits your requirement. However, there may be times when your project demands more precision or a totally custom size. If that's the case, you're going to want to click on Custom Size. You'll find this option next to the suggested sizes, and it will allow you to enter specific dimensions for your design. At this point, you might be prompted to input the width and the height of your design. It's simple, just type in the numbers that match your vision. Remember, you can choose between pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters based on what's most convenient for your project. Now that you've input your desired dimensions, it's time for the moment of truth. Locate the button that says Resize this design. Give it a click and watch as Canva works its magic in real time, reshaping your template to fit the new dimensions you've specified. It's as simple as that. So, to recap, start by ensuring you're a Canva Pro user, open your design, click on Resize, choose from the suggested sizes or input your custom dimensions, and finish by hitting Resize this design. In just a few clicks, your design has been resized perfectly to suit your needs. I hope this guide makes working with Canva even more enjoyable for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different sizes and designs. With this secret resize option in Canva, you hold the power to transform any template into exactly what you need. Thanks for watching and happy designing.